Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today's edition of What's on the Porch has a little bit of November, some December, some Christmas. I got a lot going on because I've been busy and I'm trying to catch up. So we're going to start out with my December jewelry box. I want to call it Gelry, but I do believe it's pronounced jewelry. This is the Happy Holidays box, and they send a little card. It says, through every moment of the holidays, every day of the new year, may peace and joy be yours. And then in the box you get a little bag with some squiggly doos. And in the bag you have your jewelry. And this time I have three. This time I have 3 pieces of jewelry. I have earrings, necklace, and a bracelet. They all come in these little cellophane bags. I love these earrings. Love them, love them, love them. Look at how cute these earrings are. Dang it. They're leaves. They are super, super cute. I love those. They are right up my alley. Look at how pretty those are. They're all shiny. So pretty. Love those. And then I have a necklace. This is really pretty too. I love that it's something different. It's not your normal look at how pretty that is, and it's taped. I love this because it's easy to put on. Wrap it around, and then that goes through there. This might be just a little bit too short for me. Well, that's not working out so well, is it? Well, the theory of it is really cute, but I think it's too small. It needs to, that's how it's supposed to look, but it's too small. That is super cute though. So I'll have to find somebody that I can gift that to. And the last item in this month's box is this beautiful bracelet. That is so pretty. I actually love this. Very easy to put on. It's got that clasp. And that's what the bracelet looks like. It is several different strands. Very, very pretty. I really do like that. And I like that it's easy to put on. That's normally why I don't wear a bracelet, because they're hard to put on, but I like it. I like it a lot. And I love the earrings, so that is a win-win. Just have one item, and I love that too if it were just a little bit longer, but that's not their fault. Love these earrings. Okay, so that's what's in my jewelry box, and I will have that link down below just in case anybody's interested. Not an affiliate link, I get no kickback. just sharing it because I am enjoying this little box. So now I have a birthday gift. My birthday was in November. I have some Christmas gifts and a whole lot of Christmas cards. And I'm not going to open every single Christmas card. I will just say who they're from and thank you, because I would like to acknowledge the fact that you sent me a Christmas card. So let's start out with my birthday present. I love that puffy sticker. And I love that it says what's on the porch. This was sent to me by Kim, and I, other than open the bag, the envelope, I have not opened it. It has been sitting here waiting because I wanted to do it on camera so that Kim could watch me open it. Kim from Kim's Happy Place. See, I haven't even opened the card. I love the puffy stickers. How cute are those? It says Boo. I'm her boo. That's me. Her boo. Oh, look at the pretty butterfly. That's pretty. Just a little something that I saw and instantly thought of you. Love you, my friend Kim. Because she makes fun of how I say her name. She sent me a mask. These are really nice. I've tried one of those before. Very nice. Thank you, Kim. And then she sent me this. I'm going to open it real quick and then I'll be back because I know this is going to be noisy. Okay. It's a bag. What does it say? Granddaughters of the witches you couldn't burn. I love that. That is so awesome. That is a very nice bag. Thank you, Kim. I love it. I love it. And I love you. Thank you so much for sending me that. That is awesome. And then Janet, because Janet is a subscriber. She's absolutely amazing. I love interacting with her in the comments and via Instagram. She has an amazing sense of humor. This is a Christmas gift that she sent me. I'll open it, more ASMR. It's a tin, and it says, "What if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly?" Isn't that pretty? So pretty. I have one of these back there that Andy gave me. It's not exactly the same. Or is it? Oh, it is. It is. It's just a smaller version. But now I have one that I can take to work and put on my wall at work. So thank you so much, Janet. I love it. I love it. And then Dion the Troll sent me a blanket that's over there and the cat's laying on it, so I can't show it to you. The cat has taken over the Dion blanket. It has a beautiful dragonfly on it. And it's funny because Dion's allergic to cats. And then she sent me this beautiful mug that has dragonflies on it. Diamonds and pearls, and so pretty. I love it. Thank you, Dion. Dion sent me a card too. And then Andy from Andy Does Stuff, she sent me Christmas gift. And it's funny because Andy and I both sent Dion the chapstick advent calendar. And then Dion and Andy both sent me dragonfly blankets. They're not the same. The chapstick advent calendar was the same, but the dragonfly blankets are not the same, but soft, warm, beautiful blankets that I got from both of them to keep me warm. And Andy also sent me this little box. She sent me this beautiful Tree of Life wire wrapped amethyst moon necklace. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it, and it is long enough that it will hang perfectly on me. I just love it. It is just beautiful. Just beautiful. So thank you, Andy. I absolutely love it. And then these are all of the Christmas cards that I got from Opinionated Horsewoman with the dragonfly and the sloth in there. Love that. And then Janet sent me a Christmas card that has an ornament in it. It has an ornament in it, and she wrote XOXO Janet on the back, and I threw there's the thing to hang it up with. Sunny from Sunny's Place. And we all know who this is from. That's from Pinky Jean. Beauty and More with Renee. Kim. She sent me some stickers. They're really cool. Very, very cool stickers. This is from one of our subscribers, Ruth. She's subscribed to quite a few of us. And this is Susan from Susan's Just Making It. She sent me a beautiful card. Oh, I stuck this in here. This is from my Aunt Betty. I don't think she watches my channel, but thank you, Aunt Betty. This beautiful card is from Laura the Bargain Hunter. Look at how pretty that is. It's like 3D. I love it. Thank you, Laura. And this is from Charmaine. Thank you, Charmaine. And I feel like I'm missing some. I feel like I am possibly missing some. I tried my best to keep them all together. I will tag all of the channels that sent me a Christmas card. I truly do appreciate all of you for thinking about me. I tried to get out as many Christmas cards as I could. It has been a very busy end of the year, so that's why I'm so late in getting all of this done. So thanks for hanging out with me and watching me open my December jewelry box. That link will be down below. And for watching me open my birthday present and Christmas presents and Christmas cards. I truly do appreciate everybody being so supportive and sending me cards and stuff. And I appreciate y'all being here to watch my videos. Make sure you go down and hit that like button before you go. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher. I got nothing. I don't even know. Christopher, do you need a bling bling dragonfly coffee cup for when you go fishing or to put your minnows in? One or the other. Is that a beauty tip? Not really. But that's all I got. Mama loves you, boo.